What is up, vlog? Today is a new day. Oh my god, if you are an OG, remember I used to always be like, today is a new day, and literally every single one of my vlogs, like back when I was like 19 years old, and now here I am 24 in my own place. What? Anyways, I have a lot of to do today, but I will say there's so much progress. We got my air fryer over here. I got my Nespresso machine. First of all, look how beautiful, sexy, and like sleek this Nespresso is. I also have a frother right here, which I'm definitely gonna do a Tila Tries, like frothing a little like drink. If you guys don't know, I have a show over on my Instagram, on my IGTV every Friday. I do Tila Tries. So if you're not following me on Instagram, hello. Are you there? Like, do that. And then over here, I set up my Keurig. And then I have my little electric wine opener right there because, you know, I do love a good wine moment. Obviously, don't drink if you are underage, okay? If you're not 21, don't do it. But yeah, anyways, I just went to the Coffee Bean. Don't really ever drink Coffee Bean. It's not bad though. But we have a lot of stuff to get done. Mama Dunn is here. Okay. Got work to do. It's just boxes after boxes. A lot of this is all trash though. Like this is all trash. We already tackled a lot. We did that. This mirror is not going here, but look how cute. This is gonna go in my bedroom, but it's like super, super cute. And we put up this, which I'm obsessed with. It's just so aesthetic. I love it. And fun fact, we literally have no lights on right now. This is just the natural lighting, and look how good the lighting is. It's like, what? It's crazy. But yeah, look at my wines over here. I'm gonna put, when we put together my bar cart. My mom bought me the cutest bar cart ever. It's in packaging, but it's so freaking cute. I'm excited. We're gonna put that together later and then like put all the wines and stuff in there. But yeah, we got a lot of to do. I also have a Zoom meeting with Addison Rae later, which is actually really exciting. Love her. So yeah, just today is a business productive day. It's like, even though I gotta get my life together, work never stops, work never ends. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit with more updates. Guys, I set up my iRobot and it's so cute. It's just cleaning my floors. We love to see it. So I just want to show you guys the progress and the updates of what I've been doing. Sorry, I've been like all over the place, but I bought this thingy from Amazon just to keep all my everyday makeup in. So far I just have like some eyebrow products, a powder, that. I still have to get all my makeup from my parents' house, so I have not done that yet. My dad is drilling my TV, so that's what's going on right now. But basically, I want to show you guys some of my organization that I've been doing. Obviously, I just put some cotton swabs in here because I always need that. And then I just put some like, what do you call those? Pads in there. Sorry, it's so loud. In here, I'm gonna keep all my miscellaneous makeup, not the ones that I use every single day, but just like all that in there. But I want to show you guys what I did in here. Look at this. This is literally insane. So this is all my everyday skincare. And then I have my micellar water because I don't really like using makeup wipes anymore. And then these are all my makeup brushes. I do have makeup wipes over there, but I trust that brand, so it's fine. And then I built this, or I didn't build it, I kind of just like put it together, but it's just more storage. So for right now, I just have more makeup setting spray and just like a palette. But for makeup that I'm not using on the regular, I can just put there. I just want less clutter, the better. And for now, this is going to be my hair care drawer. So I just put all of my hair care products that I use, and then I'm gonna put like my curling iron, my flat iron, the blow dryer in here. And then what I did underneath here, I organized like some of my soaps and like feminine wipes and stuff like that, and then just like more pads. These are all like my brush cleaners and just extra shampoo and soap in the back, and obviously tampons. So I just feel like it's coming together. Obviously it's not like the neatest, but I feel like it's pretty organized. So that's what's going on there. And then over here, got these candles from this cute store on Instagram, but I'm just obsessed. I feel like it's so cute. Body lotions. And then over here, I just have all my hair ties in this little thingy. That way, if anybody spends the night, or if I'm missing a hair tie and want to go take a shower, it's in there. Because I always feel like I lose hair ties. And then obviously I have all my tampons in there. So that's how it's looking so far. Obviously I need to put all my makeup in there and in there and get my flat iron and curling iron and all of that. But that's what's going on right now. My dad's helping set up my TV, like mount it and all that. So there's just a lot going on. Sorry, I feel like I haven't been the best vlogger today, but yeah, I'm trying to get my foot wet, but I'm also trying to like do a bunch of stuff too, and I don't want my camera to die. So yeah. All right, so now my mom and I are going to be opening this set for my patio or balcony, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Enjoy this time lapse.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.
So guys, this is what my room is looking like so far. I'm absolutely obsessed. First fake plant, and then I got this little like aesthetically pleasing ottoman. I don't really know how to say it. Then I put the mirror here. What do you guys think about me putting it here? I feel like it's cute. Obviously my balcony is there, but I just feel like it's cute. This obviously can come all the way down. I just feel like the setup looks good. Like I can imagine me vlogging here, doing selfies right here. Like look at the lighting. I feel like it looks better here. I was originally gonna put it where the plant is, but I feel like that's like too much looking at the bed. But yeah, this is my room. My dad is drilling in the other TV right now. That's why it's loud. But yeah, also I got this really cool thing. You guys can't tell now because I turned it off, but I put lights behind the TV so that I can like set the mood and everything, which is super cute. And then we're gonna put together my like little dresser for underneath there, and then my nightstands. And then yeah, I definitely want to get like cute wall decor for there, but that will just, you know, one thing at a time. But oh, it's so cute. I'm obsessed. What do you guys think so far? Are you liking it? Yay for moving vlogs. Yay for good lighting. Like this place has an incredible lighting. I don't even have to turn on any lights. We love to see it, truly. But I just feel like this is a vibe. This is a vibe. This is TTLYTEALA 3.0. Out with the old, in with the new. It's time to start fresh. Yes, my Zoom call meeting with Addison Ray and the Item Beauty team went incredible. I just feel really blessed that I'm able to just do so many cool things and just get the opportunities that I get, and I just feel really blessed and thankful. So thank you, Jesus, and thank you guys for just being amazing. I seriously love you guys so much, and my skin is so oily from running back and forth. But yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying. But also I got my nails done a couple days ago. What do you guys think? I love it. It's like nude, simple. I'm gonna show you guys more progress. More progress. We love drilling. We finished the chairs for the balcony, and it's so cute. Yay! We did this. I love it. It's literally so cute. All right, guys. So it is several hours later. I am in my bathroom. Obviously, I have all these organization things for my makeup, and I brought some of my makeup over, so enjoy this time lapse of me getting my life together. Yay!
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking to
So this is what my makeup drawer is looking like so far. Obviously, this is not all my makeup. I have to put all my lip glosses, more foundations and concealers and all that stuff. But this is what it looks like so far. I love these little organizers. I got them off Amazon. But it just like makes everything so much better. So I have my palettes, I have all my mascaras, highlighters, powders, and then I'm definitely gonna put like lip glosses and lipsticks in this. And I don't know what else I could put there. I could probably put like extra concealers, extra foundations. But I literally am gonna have so much room for my makeup because all my stuff is gonna be in here, and then all my like everyday makeup is gonna be in here. Like I already have some concealers that I use in there, and yeah, I still have plenty of space, so I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to complete my makeup tomorrow. I'm so exhausted, guys. I don't even. But get yourself a freaking drawer organizer from Amazon. I'm telling you, those things are lifesavers. I feel like this vlog was kind of short and all over the place, but I promise once everything is more together, vlogs will be longer because my life will just be like where it's supposed to be, you know. Yeah, and to break down that. I still have I need to put my shower cap away, my shoes away. I still have a lot of organization space. I don't know what I should do with those. I'm definitely gonna like store them somewhere. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. Also, check out my pedicure. I'm delirious. Go ahead and end this vlog here. I can't wait to get more of my makeup tomorrow and just pretty much finish out my makeup area. And then tomorrow I'm getting my eyebrows done. I'm getting my cable put in and all that, so then I can actually like sleep here, because right now I'm just like going back to my parents' house. I obviously don't have cable or anything like that yet, but tomorrow will be very, very exciting, so stay tuned in a few days for the next vlog. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, thumb up the video. I love you guys.